Hello. In my next course, with the title Astronomical Events in Classic Maya Inscriptions, I'm going to show you quite a big number of events recorded in Maya hieroglyphic inscriptions. Events like coronations, battles, inaugurations of temples and such. So we are speaking about important events, and I'm going to show you for each event what the night sky looked like. This small hieroglyphic text is part of an inscription from a lintel of Yashchilan. So here it says, on the day 7 Imish 14 Sek, there was a Star War event, so some larger battle, and people were taken captive, and the ruling king was Yashunbalum, or you may know him as Bird Jaguar, the fourth of Yashchilan, here seen together with his wife. So when I find inscriptions like that, what do? I look the date up in my calendar program. So here, for example, I have this program by Mayo Krüger. So I put in the day, 7 Imish, the month position, 14 Sek, and I will look for long count dates during the first millennium, and I'll get the results instantly. So I see that possible long count dates are here every 52 years. As you probably know, each calendar round, which consists of day and month position, repeats every 52 years. So I have the long count here and the Gregorian date. So for example, the 22nd of May 703, that's a possible date. Now this, we know this king, Yashunbalam IV, was not yet born in the year 703. 755, that's a very good candidate. Let's see the next one, that's 807. He had already died, so we see in this case there is only one possibility. Only one long count date can be this battle date, can correspond to this battle date. So this is the date 9/16/411 from the 9th of May 755. So next I will check this date in my astronomical program, which is Stellarium, but I have to take into account that since this is the 8th century, my astronomical program will use Julian calendar. So here I have Gregorian calendar, so I have to know how to convert it, and well, I know it by heart, but you may look it up. In this century there is a 4-day difference, so the Julian date is 4 days earlier. So that means instead of the 9th of May 755, 9 minus 4, I get 5th of May of the same year. So I open my astronomical program of Stellarium, and I can choose the place, so I chose Tikal here, it's near enough, and I put in the year 755, month, 5th month and 5th day, and I can put in the hour. Let's start with 19 hours. I can have a look at the sky, 20 hours, so that's 8 PM, 21 hours, 22. So I see, is there something interesting in the sky, and so far nothing interesting. 23 hours and midnight. Now I don't know if you know that the Maya date goes from midday to midday, so this is only half of this Maya date. It's all night, so I keep looking. Alright, 1 o'clock. Oh, here is something. 2 o'clock. Much better. We have the moon directly next to Saturn. So this does not seem to be a coincidence. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay, so they're moving. Now 6 o'clock now, it's almost sunrise. This would be for the correlation constant 584, 285.25. This quarter of a day is important. Counting from Greenwich, we arrive at midday in the Maya area. If I would use another correlation constant, as many people do, 284, that's one night earlier, or 283 corresponding to the 11th of August 3114 before Christ, Gregorian, then you see the moon is still away from Saturn, so this is nothing special. Only the right correlation constant will give you something interesting. So we have a date here which is day specific. So exactly on this day, on this Maya day, we have something interesting in the sky, and I will show you again and again and again with many examples that this correlation I'm using works perfectly well. And also you will see that many events, most of them, are actually day specific and have a very specific celestial event. So that means those coronation dates and inauguration dates, battle dates, in most cases were chosen very carefully. So if you think that might be interesting, then have a look at my course, which consists of 3 lessons. Okay, see you then.